Hello guys, and welcome to AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. If today is your first time coming to this channel, I say welcome to you. Don't forget to copy the link and share to others. Always click on the notification button for you to get notified whenever I will upload a new video. And if you're a returning subscriber, I say copy the link also and share to others because they still want to come to watch. A good one to you. Okay, if you want to buy your skincare recipe or organic product or cosmetic, you're really welcome. The number on your screen, that's you. The number you can use to get to us. Guys, I always tell you I'm the guy who always want to make the ladies more beautiful. I got something for you today, very, very unique. And today we'll be making a cool ladies whitening soap. A cool ladies whitening soap. One day everybody say eco ladies, eco ladies, they get the way that they shine. Yes, that is the soap I want to show you today. Eco ladies whitening soap. This soap is one of a kind. Don't doubt me. I want to show you the formula, how to make it. First of all, I'll run through real quick the items you will use for this soap, for this formula. Okay, now we'll read it from our phone. We'll be using K Brothers, we'll be using Consultation, we'll be using Larissa whitening soap, we'll be using glutathione, we'll be using ozone soap, we'll be using our bleaching oil, we'll be using our koji dip powder, we'll be using coconut oil, we'll be using also Ghana whitening boss, we'll be using our black soap, we'll be using our lactic acid, I will be using our Nature Secret oil, we'll be using our vitamin E oil, and we'll be using our Blema oil, and we'll use our Ben & Clark Kinacol. Okay, so now let me tell you, because I want to make this video real quick. For you who don't understand, you can always come to WhatsApp and ask me about it if you want to ask me. Are you getting it? This formula is one of a kind. That is one thing you don't know. When I drop formula, I drop formula from the bottom of my heart. There's nothing I'm holding back now. I'm not like those who they drop formula for you and they holding some things back. No. If you get this right, you get this right. And there's nothing about it. You get it right, you always see that beauty about it. Like this video, you see the beauty about it. So now, let me tell you how you can apply them. Real quick. Now, let's say we're using, you can use any formula. I mean, you can use any soap of your own choice, any of the whitening soap. But I prefer using K Brothers on this because I know what I'm telling you. I know what I've dropped for you. A big secret. A big secret. Just try it and get back to me. Try it and get back to me. Yes, this soap is the soap that really making trend right now in Lagos here. Because that is what makes the ladies white, and not just white. There's a secret about this formula. Make them beautiful. I tell you, make them beautiful. Your K Brothers, 4 of it, you shred it into a bowl. Then your Koji-san also, you shred it into a bowl also. Then your glutathione renew soap, you shred all the soap, including your ozone. All the soap we just mentioned, shred it into a bowl. When you shred it into a bowl, then you soak them for about 2 days so that they could be very, very, very soft, you know. Because some people, they don't know how to do all these things. They just, I remember when somebody asked me that my soap didn't blend very well. I was kind of asking her, how did you do it? You know, she made me understand that she just shredded and started blending, and that destroyed her blender. Oh, Christ. You should have done what? You should have first of all soak your soap. You see it now? So when you soak all these soap, including the Ghana soap, you know, you can add that to people's balls also. If you want to do that, you can add all that. You can actually add your anti-whitening pimples balls also. You can add that. But for me, I think with all the soap I've counted, it's okay because this soap, I mean, when you're done with this soap, it lathers very well, you know, everything, it treats your face, it treats every acne, no blemish. So let's try with all the soap. When you blended all the soap, you put them into a bowl. When you soak them for like 2 days, after they must have soaked very well. Then you blend them. When you blend them properly, you mix them. Use your wear your hand glove. You mix them now. Time to put the oils. Now you put your lactic acid. You put 10 ml of your lactic acid. You put 15 ml of your coconut oil. You put your vitamin E 15 ml also. You put your blema oil. You put 10 ml, and you put your Beneclac Kenacol, or you can use crude Kenacol. You put 100 ml of this, or you make it 15 ml. Are you getting it? Then you put your magic force. You put one bottle. You put your magic potion. You put one bottle. I think with this we are okay. If you want to put other carrier oils, fine. Are you getting it? But with me, with my Malawi that I've put, I think I'm done. I'm done and I'm done. I tell you, this Eco Ladies Whitening soap. If you use it, there's no man that you will pass that you will not get attracted to. I know what I'm saying. There's no man that you will pass, you will not get attracted to. That is one thing about it. So with what we've just done, you don't know yet. Just make that, and the moment you've done that already, then you mix everything together. You blend properly, blend. You know that yes, this soap is very it's very smooth. Make sure it's smooth. Are you getting it? And now after that, you can now, make sure you're always with your hand glove. I've told you this before, time with that number, and I'm still telling you again. Then you can now, put into your jar or into your bottle, or anywhere how you want to package it. You can now package it. I think with this, we've done with that Eco Ladies Whitening soap. It's one of a kind. Just give it a try and get back to me. Give it a try and get back to me. So, all right, guys, we've come to the end of the class. If today is your first time, you make sure you subscribe, like, and share. Your returning subscriber also do the same thing. If you want to buy your skincare recipe, or you want to buy cosmetic or organic product, you can always call at us. We're always available. The number on your screen, that's what you will use. I will be putting the description also there also, so that for those of you who don't cash it, you can always see from the screen. Are you getting it? Or you can shout me up on